There's only one way to safely do a headstand, and in this variation you don't actually stand on your head. Wait, you actually stand on your head, but you don't put weight on your cervical spine. You need 4 blocks for this variation and set them up like this. This setup allows me to just come onto my hands, getting my head between the blocks, and when I lift up my legs, as you can see, I'm standing on my shoulders, and by pressing down the hands, I have good stability, I lift up my legs. Big difference to handstand variations is that we are not on a back bend, so you don't open your chest and contract the back muscles between your shoulder blades, but you have this very nice vertical pose like in the classic headstand. I can move my head completely freely, and that's because I have no weight on it, no weight on the cervical spine at all. And here you go. It's the perfect and safest way to practice a headstand. Because your neck isn't designed to carry your whole body weight, newsflash buddy, but your hands and your shoulders, they can do the job for you. Raise your back, you can do it split if you like, you can come down to crows and land smoothly. So you just bought 4 yoga blocks for $80 and you're wondering, hey Felix, can I actually do something else with these blocks beside that wonderful and perfectly safe headstand? The answer is short, the answer is sweet, and the answer is yes. And in my next video, I will show you more poses with blocks. So drop me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notice if you want to know about that one and not miss it.